By listening to our intuition, we gain access to a wealth of inner wisdom and insights that cannot be reached through logical thinking alone. It empowers us to make choices that are more authentic and aligned with our genuine desires and values. Trusting our intuition enables personal growth, allowing us to break free from self-imposed limitations and social expectations. It leads us to embrace a path that resonates with our true selves, ultimately leading to a life filled with purpose and contentment. So, how to learn to trust your intuition? Trusting your intuition can be challenging, especially if you are used to relying solely on logic. To build trust, start by acknowledging and celebrating times when your intuition led you in the right direction. Cultivate a mindset of openness and non-judgment, allowing yourself to explore intuitive insights without fear of being wrong. Remember, the intuition is not about being perfect. It's about learning and growing through the guidance it provides. To embark on this journey, there are a few important steps we can take. Release the need to constantly prove ourselves right or have the last word in every situation. Letting go of this need for validation brings about a sense of lightness and happiness. Also, embrace the feeling of joy that comes from shedding self-doubt and worries. Allow yourself to be free from the burden of unnecessary thoughts. The most significant step is to open our hearts completely. This means allowing our higher power to bring miracles and good fortune into our lives. Our ancestors knew the importance of divine guidance. When they let go of what they thought they knew, miracles happened. Remember, everything that happens is influenced by our thoughts and memories, making us responsible for our own lives. To find serenity and happiness, we will need to open our hearts and trust our intuition. Let go of worrisome thoughts and overthinking, and embrace the innocence and purity of our own intuition guidance. Tapping into the unknown, those parts of us that are humble and modest, allowing us to make choices without needing to know everything. The key is our hearts. Your heart never lies. Listen to it, and you will make better decisions connected to your natural wisdom. Trust that you are divinely guided and never alone. The more you align with your authentic self, the smoother your life will flow. Find balance and connect to your inner energy by being authentic and honest. Let go of the need to pretend or hide emotions. Embrace vulnerability and heal yourself by uncovering unknown parts of your subconscious mind. Recognize the power greater than yourself and connect to it through your intuition. Gain priceless guidance to navigate life's complexities. Trust your intuition over logical thinking and embrace the mysterious aspects of your inner wisdom. Before we begin with this meditation, please sit comfortably in a quiet place. Relax your body and mind, allowing your unconscious mind to come forward. Start by visualizing a smart, wise, infinite bright light within you. This magnificent light is your intuition. Communicate with it quietly. You may ask questions and seek answers. Take a moment to find comfortable position. Sit in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. You may close your eyes and take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Relax your body, relax your mind. Take few slow, deep breaths in and out. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed. Release any tension you may be holding from the bottom of your toes to the top of your head. Allow your thoughts to flow freely without trying to control them. Imagine that you are part of a calm ocean and let yourself flow with the waves of your thoughts. Engage your unconscious mind. Ask your unconscious mind to step aside for the time being and let your unconscious mind come to the front. Trust that your unconscious mind holds a deeper connection to your intuition. Focus on your inner voice. Bring your awareness to the area of your heart or your stomach where you may feel your inner voice. This is your intuition. This physical place will be your point of contact with your intuition. Now visualize a magnificent, bright, wise, smart light. Imagine a smart light resonating within you. This light embodies unlimited wisdom and all the qualities you seek. It may take the form of an image or a shape, or you may simply sense its energy and existence just around you. Communicate with your intuition. You may quietly talk to your intuition. You can ask questions, seek guidance, or express your desires. You may ask for insights on a situation, maybe your relationship, finances, career, or any aspect of your life. And then listen and receive. After asking your questions, relax and let go of conscious thinking. Be open to receive answers which may come in the form of words, feelings, or images. Trust the present moment. Most answers will be related to the present moment and may not dwell on the past or future. You will sense a feeling of rightness in your being when the answers resonate with your intuition. Be patient and let go. If the answers don't come immediately, practice patience and let go. Continue with your daily life, knowing that the answers may come later through feelings, ideas, or external events. Pay attention to signs. Answers may arrive unexpectedly through external sources like friends, family, books, articles, or events. Pay attention to these signs and don't dismiss them. Act on your intuitive guidance. Trust your feelings and intuition when making decisions or taking actions. Your intuition will lead you to a sense of aliveness and empowerment if you trust it. Seek clarification if needed. If you feel uncertain about the answers received, go back to your meditation and seek clarification. Trust your intuition that it will guide you to deeper meaning. Make meditation a habit. Practice this meditation daily, ideally twice or 3 times. Repetition will strengthen your connection to your intuition. Be authentic. Be yourself and embrace vulnerability. Let your intuition flow through you, clearing any blocks and releasing negative patterns. Trust yourself. As you become more sensitive to intuitive guidance, you will gain deep sense of knowing in any situation. Trust yourself. Trust your intuition and trust in the inner wisdom within you. It may take time to fully connect with your intuition. Be patient and persistent in your meditation practice. Trust the power of your intuition. Your intuition is a powerful and reliable source of guidance. When you are ready to trust yourself and your inner knowledge, your intuition will open up to you. Act on the insights and guidance received from your intuition. As you trust and follow your intuition, you will witness positive changes and opportunities in your life. Embrace the journey. Connecting with your intuition is a beautiful and transformative journey. Embrace the process and allow your intuition to guide you to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. With time and consistency, you will find that your intuitive feelings about situations, people, and experiences become more accurate. Trust yourself and remain authentic. And as you allow your intuition to flow freely and guide you towards clarity and inner wisdom, you will feel within your heart the happiness and serenity you always seek for. Namaste.